Alright, so let's see now how we can create tweets to share your journey. Journey tweets are probably the easiest type of tweets to create because all you have to do is talk about what is happening in your life right now. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need impressive results, you just need to share your experience. The reason why journey tweets work so well is because people love following a story. They don't just want to see the final results, they want to see the process. They want to see the struggles, the mistakes, the lessons, and the small wins along the way. And the good news is everyone has a journey, even if you're just getting started. Actually, beginners often get more engagement than experts because their content feels more relatable. Someone making their first $100 online is often more inspiring to a beginner than someone making millions every month. So don't wait until you're successful to start sharing your journey. Share it while it's happening. And as we talked about it in the last video, you need to start with a hook. The easiest way to create a hook for a journey tweet is to highlight the most interesting part of your experience. For example, instead of saying I've been posting on X for 30 days, you could say I gained 1,000 followers in my first 30 days on X. And now people are curious. They want to know how you did that. Now another example could be I made my first dollar online today, or I wasted 1 year on X. And maybe you did notice, but in every hook there is a number. Numbers are powerful because they make your tweet feel specific and create credibility. People instantly trust it more because it sounds like an actual experience, not a generic statement. So try to use numbers as much as you can in your hooks. Then after the hook comes the value section. Here you will simply explain what happened. You can talk about what you tried, what worked, what didn't work, and what you learned from the experience. And usually for this kind of tweets, I don't use any call to action since people can already react to your journey in the way they want. If you ask them a question at the end, they might not just answer since they will probably want to react to your story first. The conversation will happen naturally, so don't feel forced to add a call to action to every single journey tweet. And finally, something you can do to make the tweet even more authentic is adding a picture of you doing the thing you're talking about in your tweets. So people don't just read your journey, they see proof of it. That's something I do all the time, and I truly think those types of tweets perform better if they have some pictures on it, so I highly encourage you to do it.